Hello and welcome to My Mighty Little Garden. I'm Cindy Watson. In My Mighty Little Garden, we're busy this time of year. Spring is just bustling everywhere, and gazanias have sprouted. So I'm going to make a little switch this year by planting them outside the flower beds and making a border. They are great plants for any garden, drought tolerant, love sun. They come back on their own, and I started planting them around walkways just to see if I like the border effect, and I do. So that's what I'm going to do just to save some elbow room for some of my other plants in my flower beds. The project is replanting gazanias as a border. Thank you so much for watching. Let me take a moment to just let you know you are the encouragement for me to create more content when you subscribe, like, and give me comments. I just want you to know that gazanias can be very successfully replanted or potted even. They grow well in pots. But it takes water. Whenever you replant something, you need to get it nice and wet before you pull it or move it or take it out of the pot. And you also need to soak the ground where you're going to be planting them and water again. And yes, size matters, at least with gazanias. Gazanias do not transplant as well when they are large. So please look at the little ones. Know they're going to grow fine. The one on the left, that's about as big as you want to plant, at least for me. All you do, get the ground wet, poke a hole, stick the gazanias in. Yes, even in the rocks, they're going to do fine. So I've taken them, I've put them all in the ground, I've kept them wet for almost a week, and they're doing well. I expect by, probably the end of April, it should be a pretty good batch of bouquets. Nice big gazanias ready to bloom. And that way, things like my tulips in the flower bed will have a little more elbow room. They're so pretty, so hardy. You can deadhead them easy by just pulling them off. You can cut them back. May the weeds in life never have thorns. Thank you so very much for being a part of Cindy's Artistic World today. Please give us a like, follow, or subscribe.